Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about how to upload pattern images in bulk. Open the Tools module. After scrolling down, you will see an option of Upload Pattern Images. Click the option. You can upload pattern images in batch or one at a time. You need to provide one folder having images of pattern in PNG, GIF, JPEG, XPM format with a maximum size of 2 MB. I have already selected images of the pattern. Now I will create a text file. With a name of ideal link .txt. I will open the file. There you have to provide the card number of the pattern, comma, then enter the image detail. In the same way, enter the second pattern card number dot second image detail. In the same way, enter the card number of a third patron, comma, third image detail. Then save the file. You have to take these three images and text file and convert it into a zip folder. You can choose any name to your zip folder. Now open the Koha and click on Browse and select the zip file. Then click on Upload. So you can see the pattern images are successfully uploaded. To check the pattern images, go to Home page, click on Search Pattern and enter the card number of the first pattern. So the image of the first pattern is uploaded. In the same way, I will check the second pattern image. Now the third pattern image. So you can see all three pattern images are uploaded. Thanks for watching.